Hello, and here is the information on the 300 megawatt solar turnkey line from Ecoprogetti, a complete solution for PV module manufacturing. While offering high output, 300 megawatts per year, this line needs minimal labour, only 11 operators per shift, and small production area, just 2,200 square metres, offering superb cost effectiveness and great advantage to the manufacturers. Suggested warehouse area for the raw materials and for the completed solar panels is also compact, about the same size as the production area. The line is quite versatile. It works with all the latest high-efficiency solar technologies, including poly and monocrystalline, PERC, bifacial, HIT, half-cut, flexible panels, and all common module configurations like glass/backsheet and glass/glass. As the forefront of machine and technology innovation, this compact and flexible line is fitted with fast-cycle, fully automatic machines, producing high-quality solar modules at a rate of 138 modules per hour. Ecoprogetti offers a complete 360-degree service and assistance, reducing the ramp-up time and the start-up costs. Our service offices throughout the world manage local assistance, which guarantees quick and effective support. We provide a detailed design layout, complete business project and process and service reports, certification support for TUV and UL, and theoretical and practical training, both in-house and on-site. Every machine is connected through Ethernet connection to Ecoprogetti, where our expert technicians provide quick and efficient supervision and assistance. With this connection, the machines are also predisposed for a management supervision system of the line. The training we provide is based on our 20 years experience and know-how, covering each step of the production, costs, optimization, and certification of produced solar modules. It guarantees to all our clients that they will be able to produce high-quality Tier 1 PV modules. Ecoprogetti guarantees that all machines are constructed only by materials of the finest quality, and with a 12-month warranty, any parts found defective in that time will be replaced or fixed free of charge. To ensure safe delivery, we load and lock the equipment on the transport system of preference with security belts to avoid any movement or crashes. In case of shipment by sea freight, the machines are shipped in a seaworthy vacuum packing in order to avoid any humidity damage. Our company works according to ISO 9001:2015 norms, and we have CE and TUV product certifications. All parts of the machines are designed and assembled in Italy, respecting the European quality standards.